Hey guys, SUYOON here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing another product from week 1, Supreme Drop. On a previous episode, I showed you guys the Supreme accessory I got. It was the Pyrex Supreme measuring cup. For the second item, instead of going for the accessory, I went for a clothing apparel. This time I grabbed a t-shirt. For week 1 Supreme t-shirt drop, there was a lot of various t-shirt design that was being dropped. Amongst the most hyped one, there was Mary J. Blige, Smoke One, the lotion, which was also being dropped, and of course the one I got, which was the Lafayette Supreme Banner Store t-shirt. Originally, I wasn't sure which one to go after. There was a lot of accessories as well, and then there was Supreme site being really laggy. I wasn't sure if I had enough time to get this banner t-shirt, which I really wanted, but fortunately for me, I was able to grab one colorway in natural colorway, black and white, which I try to go for as well. They sold out pretty faster than the natural, so I went with the natural given that it's more grayish undertone. I like the colorway better than the typical black and white and all the other ones, so I went with the natural. That being said, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Trying to be careful, make sure I don't rip anything. Let's see what free stuff I got and what sticker I got. Alright. This time around I got the regular Supreme logo. So this scratch off Supreme box logo one, which I got with the Pyrex, I'm gonna leave it and not touch this, unfortunately. Maybe I'll get my whole hands on the second one eventually. I don't know if they're gonna be giving away this again. Hopefully they will. Again, I got the parachute toy along with the t-shirt. So this is my second one. One from the Pyrex, one from my side. So this is dope. I love this. I may unwrap this and try to drop it down. Let's see. Supreme logo, different sticker from the other one. Pretty much mirror image. More this, I'm trying to read this. New shit from authorized dealer. That took a while for me to read that. Again, this is a mirror image, so it's, oh wow, I could have just done this where I look from the back. It just says new shit from authorized dealer. I didn't have to struggle. I could have just read it from the back instead of the front. Oh, look at that. The Mary J. Blige Supreme sticker, which is awesome. Considering that I didn't actually get this t-shirt. On the back, it says Supreme, Real Love, and her signature. 92 UMG recording. Trying to see if this is not real sign, just a print of the signature. But it's pretty dope. Given that this is only one, and that there's actually writing on the back, unlike the other ones, I'll probably just leave this intact. I am not touching this. This is freaking dope. Here we are with the natural colorway. Again, it kind of has not grays but like tannish colorway. I say gray earlier, but natural came with tan. Supreme has pretty strong 100% cotton medium size t-shirt. Let's bring the Victorinox Supreme out again and let's get into surgery. So we have a T for the Lafayette. Again, this is more like a tannish undertone. Again, I think I said it was gray earlier, but this is more tan, more like a skin color. I'm pretty tan right now from coming back from Jamaica. May not be as dark or it's lighter than my skin, but not bad in terms of comparison. Let's take a look at the actual logo closely. So we have the Lafayette store, which is the original Supreme store. I think they closed down, and we're not sure if it's going to be ever reopened again. Some say that it won't be open again. Some said there might be a chance, but I don't think it's going to open up again. And this was their original Supreme banner that they had. If you go to the Supreme store now, you're gonna see there's just the red logo, and I think it's hanging vertically instead of like this. So this being the store that pretty much started the Supreme, pretty much was the original Supreme. I think this is really dope, more than the other t-shirt that dropped. I know there was a lot of hype around the Mary J. Blige, but I think this was the better and more, I guess, for me, personal to the Supreme history itself. Amongst the Supreme sticker that I got, I think all of them were a t-shirt again. Mary J. Blige was a t-shirt. The lotion was a t-shirt. The Church of Supreme, this thing was a t-shirt as well. And this mirror image of Supreme where it says the new ship from authorized dealer was also a t-shirt. I'm not sure if they had a banner sticker. If they did, I'm pretty disappointed I didn't get it, considering that I actually got this t-shirt. But again, I'm happy that I actually got one. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the black or white, but but given that you don't really see a natural colorway on a t-shirt, I think this is a pretty good find for me. That being said, I'll wrap it up, give you guys a closer shot. We'll wrap it up.